Assalamu alaikum, my dear student of class 5. Today I am going to take chapter number 5, multiples and factors. I shall discuss this topic with the help of some example. Let us take one example. 3 into 5 equal to 15. Here 15 is the multiples of 3 and 5, and 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Next example, 2 into 3 into 5 equal to 30. Here 30 is multiple of 3, 5 and 2, and 2, 3 and 5 are the factors of 30. So next we discuss even and odd number. Odd numbers. First, even number. Numbers that are multiples of 2 are even numbers. Numbers that are multiples of 2 are even numbers. Multiples of 2 means 2, 1 is 2, 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8. Next, continue. So here 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. So next, odd numbers. Numbers that are not multiples of 2 are odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Odd numbers we cannot divide by 2 exactly. So, all numbers are either odd or even. Let us solve exercise 5A. Exercise 5A. Question number A, 2 into 5 into 7 equal to 70. So 70 is a multiples of dash 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 and dash apart from 1 and it's 70 itself. Here 2 into 5 into 7 equal to 70. So 70 is a multiples of dash 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 and dash. So here we got 3 multiples of 70. 2, 5, 7 here given, and 2 we have to take out. So we divide by given factors of 70, then we take out rest 3, then we find out rest 3. Suppose 70 divide by 7, 7 10 jar 70, 5 14 jar 70, and 2 35 jar 70. So next question number B. The first two common multiples of 2 and 3 are dash and dash. So the first two common multiples of 2 and 3 are dash and dash. Here we take out the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. The multiples of 3 are 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, okay, 21, okay, except this. Now we take out the common multiples. Common multiples of 2 and 3. Here 6 is there, and there also, here also 6 is there. So 6 is common multiples of 2 and 3, and another common multiples is 12. Here also 12 is there, then 12 also the common multiples of 2 and 3. The first two common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6 and 12. Next, now question number C. 91 equal to 7 into 13. So 7 and 13 are dash of 91. (91) equal to 7 into 13. So 7 and 13 are dash of 91. So here 91 is multiple and 7 and 13 are factors. So 7 and 13 are the factors of 91. Next question D. 6 and 18 are factors of 108. So 108 is dash by 6 and 18. 6 and 18 are the factors of 108. So 108 is dash of 6 and 8. We know if factors are there, then it is divisible by the product. So here 108. So 108 is divisible by 6 and 18. Next question number 2. Question number 2. Write the first 4 multiples of 7. So first write the first 4 multiples of 7. So here said first 4 multiples of 7. So 7, 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So 7, 14 and 21 are the 4 multiples of 7. Next question number B. Write the 4 largest 2-digit multiples of 5. Four largest 2-digit multiples of 5. So 2-digit number, we know that 2-digit number start from 10 and end in 99. So among 10 and 99, between 10 and 99, we find out the 4 largest 2-digit multiples of 5. We know that multiples of 5 are always unit digit is either 5 or 0. either 5 or 0. So we write here all the 2-digit multiples of 5: 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. So next is 100. So 100 is not 2-digit number, it is 3-digit. We take out the 4 largest 2-digit multiples of 5. So we start from this side and up to 80 is 4 largest 2-digit multiples of 5. It is 80, 85, 90, 95. Next, question number C. Write the 4 smallest 3-digit multiples of 11. Here we find out the 4 smallest 3-digit multiples of 11. So 3-digit number started from 100. So now we search what are the first 3-digit smallest number of 11. We know 11 9 are 99. It is smaller. It is 2-digit number. So we skip this one. Then 11 10 are 110. It is smallest. Next 11 are 121, 11 12 are 132, and 11 13 are 143. Next question. Question number D. Write the multiples of 13 that are between 100 and 150, that are between 100 and 150. So we write here the multiples of 13 that are between 100 and 150. So we take out the multiples of 13 which are between 100 and 150. We know that 13 8s are 104. So 8th multiple of 13 is 104. 13 9s are 117. 13 10s are 130 and 13 11s are 143. Here 104, 117, 130 and 143. Next, question number 4. Write the first two common multiples of 5, number A 5 and 3. 5 and 3. So now we write the multiples of 5. 5 1s are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Next 45, 50. Next multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now we take out the first two common multiples. So first two common multiples, this line 15 is there, 15 also there. So 15 are common multiple of 3 and 5, and another is 30 is there, and here also 30 is 30. So 30 is also another common multiple. So we can write, therefore the first two common multiples of 5 and 3 are 15 and 30. Next, question number B. Four, 6 and 8. 4, 6 and 8. We take out the common multiples first two common multiples of 4, 6 and 8. We write the first we write the multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Next, multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. Next we take out the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. So, Twenty-four. So, first common multiples of 4, 6 and 8 are 24, and second common multiples is 48, 48, 48. So, we can write the first two common multiples of 4, 6 and 8 are 24 and 48. Question number next. Question number 8. Write 3 factors of the following numbers other than 1 and the number itself. Other than the number itself. Question number A, 36. And we solve question number C, 120. So, first here we find out the 3 factors of the following numbers. So, first we take out the factors of 36. 1 into 36 is equal to 36. 2 into 18, 3 into 12. We need only 3 except 1 and 36. Here we get 4. So among 4 we can write 3. Therefore the 3 factors of 36 are 2, 3 and 12. Next we take out the factors of 120. 1 into 120, 2 into 60, 3 into 40, 4 into 30. So we need only 3 factors. So here also we can write the 3 factors of 120 are 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Next, question number 9. Question number 9. Write all the factors of 32. Write all the factors of 32. So we take out the all factors of 32. 32 equal to 1 into 32, 2 into 16, 3 we not possible, we skip, 4 into 8, 5 also not possible. So after this it is the, therefore the all factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Next, question number B, 56. One into 56, 2 into 28, 3 not 4, 4 into 14, 5 not 6, not 7, 7 into 9, sorry 7 into 8, then 8 into 7, then 9, not up to this much. Now all the factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Next, question number 10. Question number 10. Write the even numbers between 88 and 99. So we know multiples of 2 are even number. So here we write between 88 and 99. So 88, then 89 is odd number, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, up to this much. Next, question number B. Write the last 5 odd number that are less than 900. Write the last 5 odd numbers that are less than 900. Now we take out the odd number, here written last 5 odd numbers. So less than 900. So 900 is odd number. So before 900, what is there? 899. 899. Next, what number is less than 900? 897. Next, 895. Next, 893, and next 891. Now we start next topic, prime number. A number that is divisible only by itself and 1 is called the prime number. Or we can say a number which has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, is called prime number. Suppose 3, 7, 11. So 3 has also two factors, 1 and 3. 7 has two factor, 1 and 7, and 11 also has two factors, 1 and 11. So these 3, 7 and 11 are prime numbers. Next, composite numbers. A number that is divisible by a number other than itself and 1 is called composite numbers. Or we can say a number that has more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. So composite numbers, suppose 4, 8, 10. So we see 4 has the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. 3 factors are there. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 factors are there. And factors of 10, 1, 5, 10. 3 factors are there. So 4, 8 and 10 composite numbers. Now coprime numbers. Two numbers are coprime numbers if only common factor is 1. If two numbers we take out the factors and only common factor we get 1, then we can say the pairs of number are coprime numbers. Coprime number, two numbers that are coprime number if only common factors they have 1. So now we solve exercise 5B. Question number 1. Pick the prime numbers. Pick the prime numbers. Number A, 2, 5, 19, 1. So we know 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we leave 1. We see 2 is also prime number because only 2 factors are there. 5 is also prime number. It is only 2 factors are there, and 19 is also prime number. Only 2 factors are there. Let us solve another number. Question number B. 3, 47, 53, 111. Here the prime numbers are 3. 3 has only 2 factors. Then 47 also has 2 factors, and here 53 we see 53 into 1 equal to 53. 53 3 not go, 4 not go. So 53 also, and next question number 2. Pick the composite numbers. Pick the composite numbers more than 2 factors. Pick the composite numbers. Number A 17, 94, 88, 51. So here we take out the composite numbers which numbers have more than 2 factors. So 17, we know 17 is prime number because only 2 factors, 1 and itself. 94 is more than 2 factors, 88 is more than 2 factors, 51 is more than 2 factors. Next question number B. 39, 93, 41, 675. So here we found with 39. So 39 also more than 2 factors, then it is composite number. 93 more than 2 factors, only 41 is prime number, and 675 is composite numbers. Next question number 3A. 3A. Write the first 6 prime numbers greater than 20. Write the first 6 numbers greater than 20. Greater than 20, we take out 6 prime numbers. Prime numbers greater than 20. So prime number only 2 factors, the number 1 and itself. So after 20, prime number is 23. Next 21 not 23. Next 25 not, 26 not, 27 not, 29, then 31, then 37, then 40. 1 has only 2 factors. How many written? I need to write. Then 43. So 23, 29, 31, 37, 41 and 43 are the first 6 prime number greater than 20. Next, question number B. Write the first 10 composite number greater than 31. Write the first 10 composite numbers greater than 31. So here we write first 10 composite numbers greater than 31. So second composite 31, then 32 is composite number, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 not 38, 38 then 39, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 40, 42, 7, 8, 9 and 44. Next question number 4. Are the following pairs of composite numbers co-prime numbers? Are the following pairs of numbers pairs of numbers co-prime numbers? So number A, 25, 36. We know co-prime number pairs if the only common factor is 1, then we can consider the pairs of number are co-prime numbers. So we take out the factors of 25. 25, 1, 1 into 25, next 5 into 5, next 25 into 1. So there 36. 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 5 not, 6 into 6, 7 not, 8 not, so up to this much. So the factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25, and factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So here see the 25 factors of 25 are only 3 factors, 1, 5 and 25. Here 1 is there and 1 also is there, except 1 no factors are common. So we can say yes, the pairs of number are co-prime. Yes, the pairs of number are co-prime number. Next, question number 5. Write the prime factorization of the following numbers. Write the prime factorization of the following numbers. Prime factorization of following numbers. Number A, 36. So here 36 we factorize. 36. We give one symbol like this. So first prime factorization. So first prime number is 2. First we see the 36 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 6 is what? Even number, then it is divisible by 2. 2 in 3, 1 times go, 2 1s are 2, there remain 1 and there 6, 16. So 2 8s are 16, 18. Next 2 9s are 18, 2 sorry there 9, 9 is what? Composite number and odd number also. So we have to see it 3. So 3 3s are 9. So see here 2 2 3 3. The prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. All are prime numbers. 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so it is called prime factorization. Therefore, (36) equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next, question number C, 120. This also we factorize. Unit digit is 10, 0. Unit digit is 0, then it is 120 is even number. If it is even, then it is divisible by 2. So 2 6 ja 12, 1 0 60, 2 30 ja 60, 2 15 ja 30, 2 sorry 15. 15 is odd number. We try 3 3, 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. So here 122 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 120 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Next, fill in the prime factorization question number 6. Fill in to show prime factorization. You can only fill prime factors in the circle. Question number A, 6A 60 1 box 2 box and there one circle, we write prime factors in the circle. So in the circle it is this 60 is even number, so we can, it is divisible by 2. 2 how many times go? 2 30s are 60, there 30 again by 2, 2 15s are 30, and 3 5s are 15. Next, question number B. Their circle. Next, their circle is there and there another circle. So inside the circle we write only prime factors. So 50 is even number, it is divisible by 2. 2 75s are 50. Now 75 there, it is odd number, we can divide by 3. 3 25s are, next 5 5s are. Next, write the common factors of each pair of numbers. Question number 7. Write the common factors of each pair of numbers. Question number A. 12 and 18. We write the common factors of 12 and 18. So common factors of 12 are 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 6 6 into 6 there have, and the common factors of 18 are 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, 4 not 5 not 6 is there. So now factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So here common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Therefore, the common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Next, question number B. 45 and 75. The factors of 45 are 1 into 45. Next, 5, 3 into 15, 5 into 9. Factors of 75 are 1 into 75, 3 into 25, 5 into 15, 6 not, 7 not, 8 not, 10 not. Okay, after this. Now 45 equal to 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45, and 75 equal to 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. So therefore the common factors of 45 and 75 are 1 common, 3 common, 5 common and 15 common. So 1, 3, 5, 15. Student, today up to this, if you have any doubt, then write in comment box. I shall reply. Thank you.